Hey everyone, welcome to Southern Seasons. My name is Jody and I am so glad that you've joined me here today. If you love decorating, DIYs, thrifting, and tablescapes, then this is the channel for you. Today's video, I will be in my dining room adding some spring touches to my decor on my buffet, also to the cabinet that is hanging on the wall. There is also a surprise guest. So, shall we get started? So I've taken a couple things off of here and I'll be adding a couple more pieces. The first thing that I'm going to add is my little sugar dish here. I'm just going to move this piece really quick because I want to add some greenery here and a few flowers and berry picks. Now I'm using my little harness here to hold my camera, so hopefully this isn't too jumpy. Still trying this out, seeing if I like using this. So I'm just be adding a few berry picks here and a couple of my tulips. Now I'm using salmon color in here. A little bit of salmon, a little bit of light pink together. Okay. May have to do a little tweaking with this area. Now I'm going to work on this area in front of the tray. The first thing that I'm putting is this bird's nest, and I'm going to be adding a couple of these tulip picks here. Okay, just going to hopefully get this to stick in here. Just going to bunch these two together. And then I will be adding some more greenery picks and a few more pieces of the tulips. So here are some, this is actually from a bush that I cut pieces off. I like to cut them up because then you can use littler pieces. Just going to tuck in a few here and there in the back with the tulips that I have already. Let me get this one to go in. And one more over here. Okay. Then I have this little pick here that I'm just going to put right in front of the bird's nest. And a couple more of these pieces I'll tuck in on each side. Okay. And now I'm going to be adding some of the tulips. I actually like to take a few of these flowering bushes and cut them up so you can have pieces where you just want to have a few to tuck in here and there. I'm going to tuck in one more here. I think I want a little bit more color right there. Okay. And a couple more on this side. Get this one to go in. All right. Might have to tweak this one too. Okay, so now I'm going to put something back behind this area right here. This is that candlestick that I did a DIY on. It's from the thrift store. I'll set that there, and I'm going to put my little bunny here, my jumping bunny. I got him from Home Goods many years ago. And I just want to add a little bit of greenery here. Kind of looks like maybe he's jumping over a bush. Just a few pieces. I'm not going to put any flowers in here. And again, as you can see, I like to take my bushes. This is one from Hobby Lobby that I've used on here, and I like to cut pieces because you always need to tuck in a few more pieces. Okay, so that is all I'm going to do for the bunny. Now behind my creamer here, I am going to do the same thing as I did on the left side, where I put this little greenery pick back in here. Going to use the same berry picks. And get this to tuck in. Okay, not wanting to work for me. All right, and this little salmon colored one. Get it tucked in, tweak it. and a few pieces of the tulips again. Okay? And that is all I'm going to be doing to the buffet. So let's get a closer look. All right, let's go up here. Oh, and I did forget to mention that I did recover my books with some of my scrapbook paper with some springy colors. And you might have noticed that I did change out my lamps in here. So over here, as you might see, Mr. Bunny, he has decided to join us. He's been supervising me today. And he's told me he wants to stay in the dining room, but I told him, no, you're going to be in the kitchen for a little bit. And then he can make a new home in the dining room. And on my cabinet up here, I just did a few touches of the tulips, kept everything else the same. That is it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Tomorrow is Tablescape Thursday. I am going to be doing the tablescape in here and finishing up some spring touches on the hutch, and then there will be a tour of the whole room. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.